Oh, look at this gravel shit. He want me to go on gravel. Why he tripping like that? Really do? What you doing? Okay. Okay, I see. Why you got me on this shit, dog?
Hey, you don't need to come too far in here.
Right here?
No. If you're gonna do it, you need to shoot up in there.
I can't shoot all the way up in there, man. I would like to just be like this, so I can just pull on down and out.
Well, the only thing is, you got cars coming in. You don't want these people to complain. We already are out of compliance. I don't know where we can go.
Right where we was at, it was $5. Yeah, when are you ever a few minutes? I want to kind of be like intersecting you in the back. All right, I'm gonna go down and come back up.
Go down and come back up, and you can be like this.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Right, go down. Busting you.
This nigga act like we on dirt bikes now. You got me trying, testing my skills. Nah, I can put my, you think I'm...
I can stand down.
Ooh.
Lean it over. Is it in gear?
No. Yeah.
The clutch.
Yeah.
The clutch is back on. The gear will help you hold it from rolling.
You sure? It like it's falling, Alvin.
Is it rolling? Is it rolling back?
No.
Okay, you're good.
Shit.
Turn the light off.
Calm down. That's how I be look. All right, thank you. All right, I'm coming.